Hi, my name is Katie Baker and I'm one of the co-creators of Barkelona. I'm here to give you a short tutorial and show you how to play the game. So first we'll go to the Barkelona website, www.barkelona.com, and then click on Play. Next, I'm going to enter the super secret code that my teacher gave me. Alright, now that I've entered my super secret code and logged in, my game loads and it looks like this. I'm going to click New Game. I'll enter my name, and I'll choose where I'm from. I'm from Los Estados Unidos. If you have any requests, please let us know and we'll add your country. ¿Cuántos años tienes? Let's be honest, 34. Alright, I think I'm going to be this person. That looks like me. And I'm a chica. Okay. Since I'm just starting out, I'm going to press day 1. Uno. Alright, so here I am in my apartment. To move around, I just use the arrow keys. To interact with the environment, I simply click on objects, such as el escritorio. There's a knock at the door. It's my friend Carlos. He says, Hola, me llamo Carlos II. Soy un perro. I click the dialog box to continue, so I can click anywhere inside this white box. He asks, ¿Cómo te llamas? So I'm going to look at my options and I'll choose Me llamo Katie. Oh, Carlos is my friend! I like friends too. So the goal of the game is to make Carlos happy. You can do this in a number of different ways. One thing that makes him happy is being his friend. And you can make more friends in Barkelona. You can keep track of them by pressing 1 to see your friends list. Right now, my only friend is Carlos, so I'd better go make some more friends. This way I can also access my dictionary by pressing 2 or simply clicking on the dictionary. I can go to my backpack to see my inventory and how much money I have. It's looking a little empty in here right now. I can press 4 or click on missions to see my quests. So right now my quest is to meet more friends. Carlos quiere conocer a más amigos. So I need to talk to 5 more people in the apartments. That will make him happy. And finally, I have the options menu where I can save my game, load my game, or go back to the main menu. So for right now, I'm going to escape and go back to the game, and I'll continue clicking the dialog box. Carlos quiere 5 amigos más. Okay, I'll accept his quest. We're going to go meet friends. Now I can see Carlos's happiness bar. I can see all of my menu options, and I can see my apartment where I can walk around. So we have a few more things in here. La televisión. Ooh, what's this? Right now, my high scores are looking a little sad, but soon they'll be better. That's my trophy case. Alright, I think I'm done looking around here, so I will follow the arrow through the doorway and go check out apartment 304. Ooh, un perro y una mujer. I'll talk to the dog first. He says, Hola! Lucia also says, Hola, ¿cómo te llamas? Ooh, is she talking about me or Carlos? I'll choose Me llamo Katie. Se llama Lucia. That was easy. I've already got another friend, and she has a friend too. Teo. Teo es mi amigo. ¿Cómo se llama el perro? Se llama Carlos II. Mucho gusto. Hasta luego. Tengo 2 amigos más. Tengo 3 amigos. Now if I go back to my friends menu, I will see my new friends there. I can still see my mission is to talk to more friends, so I'd better continue. But before I leave, I want to check some things out. So, ooh, what's this? La pintura, el sofá, and what if I'm not quite done talking? I can go back and talk to Theo and Lucia again. I can ask them all sorts of questions. ¿Eres perro o humano? Theo es un perro. ¿Quién es tu amigo favorito? Oh, he really loves Lucia. Isn't that sweet? Alright, I think we're done talking. Adios. So I will continue on my way, but that's a little bit of how you play the game and use the different menu options. So I'm done for now. I'm going to go to Options, Save Game. And it's downloaded this save file, save.json. Right now it's in my Downloads folder, which is a little bit crazy, but I would recommend that you move this save file to somewhere that you can find it again. It could be on your desktop, it could be on a Google Drive. Really, anywhere is fine as long as you can find it again. And then when it comes time to load your game, well, I'll show you. You go to Load Game. And then you go back to wherever you saved it. So mine was in my Downloads folder. I find my save.json file and open it. Ta-da! I'm back where I left off. I still have 3 friends, and I can continue my mission. That's how you save and load a game. Alright, that's all for now. Hasta luego!